If you've been disappointed by weak vacuums that clog up, fall over, or don't pick up pet hair, this one actually does the job. This 550-watt cordless vacuum has serious suction and makes daily cleanup quick and easy. So this is what came in the box. Inside the box is the quick user guide, the charging cable, the battery, the unit with the dust cup, the telescopic tube, extra HEPA filter, extra sponge filter, aromatherapy tablets, the wall mount along with the tools, a cleaning brush, the upholstery brush, the crevice tool, and you have the motorized brush. Putting this together is super easy. So the sponge filter and the HEPA filter is already in here. I just wanted to show you guys that you can just put this together. Looks like that. Then you'll take this one and hook it on here. And you'll take this. Put that together. It stands up on its own. The battery pack will attach here. And that's it. So to turn this on, you just press this button, which then will turn this on. And to adjust this, you have the minimum, and then mid, max, and then you'll continuously press this to make it auto. And it shows you if you're blue, which has a light, or if you need to continuously vacuum. And you can also monitor the battery life. And to turn it off, you just press this again. This vacuum is literally perfect for all the areas your old vacuum couldn't reach. And it has the tools that you need to be able to get the job done. So there's two ways to charge this. You can simply hang it up into the unit itself, or you can disconnect the battery and you can just plug it straight into the unit itself to charge. A full charge will allow this vacuum to run up to 60 minutes. You'll be surprised by what it picks up, even what you can't see. If you're looking for a vacuum that's powerful, pet-friendly, and easy to use, you should definitely check this one out.